Good morning students. Today we will study chapter 5 factors and multiples. Factors and multiples. First, what do you mean by factors? A factor is a number that we divide without leaving any remainder. What is a factor? A factor is a number that we divide without leaving any remainder. Without leaving any remainder. For example, 24 divided by 6. Then the table of 6, how many times go in 24? How many times gone? 4 times. Okay. What are the factors of 6 and 4 is the factor of 24. You understand what is a factor? A factor is a number that we divide without leaving any remainder. This number we divide. How many times gone? 4 times, then 24, 0. Here the remainder is 0. Therefore, 4 is the factor of 24. 4 is the factor of 24. Understand what is a factor? A factor is a number that we divide without leaving any remainder. There is no remainder come here. Therefore, 4 is the factor of 24. Understand? Then, write all the factors of question. Write all the factors of 36. Write all the factors of 36. Listen. First we find the factors of 1 is the factor of every number. 1 is the factor of every number. The number itself is the factor of every number. 1 and the number itself is the factor of every number. First here 1 multiply 36 is equal to 36. 1 and the number itself is the factor of every number. 1 come in. 1 is the factor of every number. Then second 2. First you divide 36 divide by 2. 36 divide by 2. You divide, you take a rough notebook and you divide. The big numbers are you divide. Okay. Then you divide this number 36 divide by 2. Then how many times gone? 18. Then 2 and 18 are the factors of 36. 2 and 18 are the factors of 36. Then you write 2 into this 18 also. 18 is equal to 36. Understand? Next 3. Again you divide by 36 divided by 3. The big number you divide. Okay. How many times gone? 12. 36. Then there is a remainder is 0. Here also 0. Again you divide by 36 divided by 2, 3, 4. Then the 3 and 12 are the factors of 36. 3 and 12 is 36. Okay. Next 4. The table of 4 you say, how many times gone? Again you divide 36 divide by 4. How many times? 9. Then 4 and 9. 4 and 9 is equal to 36. Then next 5. You say the table of 5. 36 come in table of 5? No. Therefore, 5 is not a factor of 36. Next number 6. 6 sijja 36. Here 6 and 6 are repeat here. Okay. Then you stop when the number, the quotient and when the numbers are repeated. Here quotient and divisor are repeat here. Same number. Then you stop. When you stop, the quotient and quotient and divisor is same. Then you stop here. Here, then in other example, I do another example, then you again understand. This here divisor and quotient are same. Then you stop. The factors of 36 are, what are? You take this U shape. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Then here 6 are repeated here. You take only one time. 9, 12, 18 and 36. Okay. The another example you listen here. Write all the factors of 24. Listen. First, where 1 is the factor of every number, then you write 1 multiplied 24 is equal to 24. First line you write. Then second, 2. You divide here. 24 divided by 2. There is no remainder come. You take the number. Okay. Then 2 multiplied 12 is equal to 24. Again you divide by 3. Table of 3 say 3 8 ja 24. Then 4 6 ja 24. Okay. Say the table of 5. How many times come? 5 is a factor of 24. 5 the table of 5 come in 24? No. Therefore, 5 is not a factor of 24. Then next number 6. You take 6. 6 4 ja. 6 4 ja 24. Look here. 4 and 6 are repeat here. 4 and 6 are repeat here. Then you stop. Understand? 4 and 6 are repeat here. Then you stop. Factors of 24 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Understand? Factors? Yes. Next, common factors. Find the common factors of, listen, find the common factors of 8 and 12. Okay. Find the common factors of 8 and 12. First you find the factors of 8. Here 8. 1 into 8 is equal to 8. 8 and 1 and the number itself are the factors of every number. Okay. Then 2 into 4. 2 4 ja 8. Table of 3 come in 8? No. Then next 4. 4 2 ja 8. How many? 2 and 4 are repeated here. Therefore you stop. Okay. Next 12. 1 into 12 is equal to 12. Say the table of 2. How many times come? 6 times. 2 into 6 is equal to 12. Then say the table of 3. How many times come? 3 into 4 is equal to 12. Then 4 into 3 is equal to 12. Here stop we? Yes. Why? Here 3 and 4 are repeat here. Then you stop. Then factors of 8 is equal to 1, 2, 4, 8. Next factors of 12 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Now first we find the factors of 8 and 12. Next the common factor. Here, look here, 1 is here, 1 here also. Then you circle. Then 2 here, 2 here also. Then 4 here, here also 4. 8 is here, no. 3 is here, no. 6 is here, no. 12 is here, no. We circle the common factor 1, 2 and 4. Then common factors is equal to you take a 1, 2 and 4. Understand? Then HCF highest common factor. You say the HCF of this highest common factor. What is the HCF for here? 4 is the HCF for here. Now we find this step. Then one step you go, the HCF is equal to 4. HCF, what is the full form of HCF? Highest common factor. Highest common factor. Here the HCF is equal to 4. Understand you? One more question. Okay. Find the common factors of 16 and 24. Find the common factors of 16 and 24. First you write the factors of 16, then here write the factors of 24. 1 into 16 is equal to 16. 2 into 8 is equal to 16. Then 4. The table of 3 come in 16? No. Therefore, we don't take 3. Okay. Then 4 into 4 is equal to 16. Here 4 and 4 are repeat. Then you stop. Here 1 into 24 is equal to 24. Then 2 into 12 is equal to 24. You divide this 24 divided by 2. Okay. Then 3 into 8 is equal to 24. Then 4 into 6 is equal to 24. Then table of 5 come in 24? No. 6 into 4 is equal to 24. Here 4 and 6 are repeat, then you stop. Then factors of 16 is equal to 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Then factors of 24 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Then now we circle the common factor. 1 here, here also 1, then 2 here, 2 also here, then 4, 4, then 8, 8 here, then 16 here, no, 3 is the common factor here, no, 6 is common factor, no, 12, no, 24, no. Then common factors is equal to 1, 2, 4, 8. What is the HCF of 16 and 24? 8. The highest common factor is 8. Okay. I give some questions to you. You do in notebook. Okay. Thank you.